my stamping friends, I'm Sandra at artypapercrafters.com, and today I'd like to share with you the projects that I made with my paper pumpkin kit for the month of May. As far as I know, this product is still available to purchase from Stampin' Up. It can be purchased on my website, artypapercrafters.com. Click on the down arrow description bar in this bottom corner to take you to my website in case you should like to purchase it. Why would you want to purchase it? Well, Paper Pumpkin is available to the American Stampin' Up demos. It's available all year. It's a monthly subscription in the USA, and they get this little box every month if they have pay into the subscription. And in this box you get a lot of you get a kit. Now let me show you inside. Now this kit obviously I've already made, but you get enough in here to make, I think it was 12 cards, and you get a stamp set as well as twine and velvet ribbon. And the stamp set is worth having on its own because the stamp set is worth £15. Now this stamp set, the images coordinate with Free as a Bird, and the Free as a Bird papers, the designer papers called Bird Ballad, and the Free as a Bird stamp set is all part of a bundle that can be purchased. But the Bird Ballad set has these gorgeous images of feathers, flowers, birds. I mean, look at those, aren't they absolutely gorgeous? And you get obviously 12 sheets in here, and you've got your birds in here. And on one of these papers, this is the image here. So on this one here, you've got your flowers, but on the back you've got these birds. Now if you look at these birds here, you can see that that bird there and that bird there, they coordinate. They are the same image, and they go with this Bird Ballad set. So you could say that they coordinate. So in the set, you've got a stamp set. You've got enough to make 12 cards with their envelopes as well as, and the envelopes are really beautiful. You've got them with little birds' nests on, you've got them with flowers, you've got them with feathers, so they all coordinate, and inside the envelope you've got this beautiful print. So with mine, I made these cards. So this was the original designs was this one here, this one here, this one here, and you can see the envelope matches with the feather. You got the little feathers, and you've got these, some of these little embellishments. You've got this twine, the velvet ribbon, and you also got some pink cord as well, as all included in the kit. You also got some dimensionals, some glue dots. So you got these sentiment labels. So you had everything you needed to create 12 cards. All you needed was glue and a Stampin' Up block. So a little block like this, which is a block D, that's big enough to stamp all the images in this stamp set. So all you need is a block and some glue, and you're away. You can make these cards. So that was the original 4 designs. Now I made this little box with part of mine as well. Designed the little box, put some coordinating card, and put some of the DSP, used the cord and the velvet ribbon, and made a little box. And I also made this little velcroed pad for your post-it notes. So I made that with it and used some of the paper for that. So you don't have to make cards if you don't want to. But I stretched my materials and made all these cards. So I showed you the cards I've made. I made this one, and that one. So I designed my own in the end and used some supplies that I had, or supplies that were included in the pack. And I just think that this is, I even made a bigger card and put the image, layered it onto a bigger piece of card and used very vanilla. And so your options, I even made a bigger envelope and put some of the paper on the inside and put part of the paper on the front. So I cut the envelope up to do that. So there's lots and lots of things that you can make with this. You don't just have to have cards, and then you get supplies left over. So I've got a bit of velvet ribbon and cord left over, and this kit comes with full instructions. Here are the instructions, and they show you how to make them on the back. If you are new to stamping and you like instructions to just make the cards, you can make 12 cards with the envelopes. And it came all wrapped up in this gorgeous pepper pink tissue. It all came wrapped up in that, so it was just a delight. And we have got this in the UK, France, Germany, Austria and the Netherlands. We had that. It was called Hugs from Shelley, and for 1 month only we had the option to buy this card kit, and it was a delight. £20 to make all these cards. You get a stamp set as well that you can use afterwards, so what's not to like? So that's just a little nosegay of what I made with my kit that I purchased for £20. And if you want to join Stampin' Up, you could still put this in your beginner's pack. For £99 you can choose £130 worth of products. So this for £20 and some card, some ink, some embellishments, ribbon, anything you want to put in your card kit, and it costs £99 to join, and you choose £130 worth of products. So yeah, so that's what I made with my kit. Came in this lovely box as well that you can keep. And I thoroughly enjoyed making this, and it's a delight to receive. You could even give it as a gift to a crafter. I'm sure they'd love it. So that's all from me today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and tapping the bell. If you would like to join or buy Stampin' Up products, please go to my online shop by clicking on the link below, and I'll see you soon. So thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye.